Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. And once again I am present with chapter number 11, and the title of this chapter is Air and Water. Air and water. Previous two or three part of this chapter we have studied or we have learned about air, and through this video we will learn about water and its uses. Water and its uses. So what is the short topic of today? Water and its uses. Water and its uses. And we know that like air and food, water is also essential for every living things. For living things. Each and every living things. Because we need water to live. Our so many daily activities depend on this water. So water is water is an abiotic component of the nature. Abiotic component है ये, okay. And this is a compound, but ये क्या है compound और abiotic, आप लोग इसको हाई क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. यहाँ हम ये क्या लेंगे, क्या पढ़ गए? Water is essential for our life. Water is essential for our life. Essential for our life. Essential means what? Essential means जरूरी, अति आवश्यक. Water is essential for our life. We can't live without water. हम लोग पानी के बगैर नहीं रह सकते. Our daily activities depend on water. Every day we use water in different purposes, like drinking, but before use, first we will learn about its properties. We will learn about property of water. As we know that water is colorless. Water is colorless. वाटर में कोई कलर नहीं होता है. वाटर इज कलरलेस एंड इट हैज नो शेप. इट हैज नो शेप. वाटर का कोई शेप नहीं होता. इट टेक्स the shape of any container it is called It is pond. Water is colorless. Water is odorless. Two things. Water is essential for our life. We can't live without water. Water is colorless and odorless. It has no shape. इसका कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं होता. It has no fixed shape. इसका कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं होता है. Like solid. It takes the shape of any container. It is poured. यह जिसमें भी हम पानी को रखते हैं उसी का शेप ले लेता है. Because why? Because water has no fixed shape. कोई इसका एक निश्चित आकार नहीं होता है. ओके, निश्चित आकार नहीं होता है. So what is poured? Poured, P-O-U-R-E-D. पॉड मीन्स क्या होता है? पॉड का मतलब होता है उड़ेलना. जैसे हमको अगर एक लिक्विड को अगर पानी को एक बर्तन से दूसरे बर्तन में उड़ेलते हैं, यूटेंसिल्स में उड़ेलते हैं, तो उसी का शेप ले लेता है. तो पॉड मीन्स होता है उड़ेलना. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, नाउ यूजेज ऑफ वाटर. Usage of water. Okay, already I have written a unit of water, so don't need to write once again. Water is, already I told, our daily activity, our different types of daily activity depend on this water. We use water in drinking. We use water of water in drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, okay. So this is the main use. This is the main use of water in our daily life. We use of water in drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, washing our clothes, washing utensils. So and some other usage also, like watering the plant. Plant को भी पानी देते हैं. Already I told, water is essential for every living thing. सभी के लिए जरूरी है पानी. Without water we can't live it. So through this video, students, we have learned what? We have learned the properties of water and usage of water. Okay, property. What is property? Property of water is water is colorless, water is odorless, water has no fixed shape. It takes shape when we pour into any container. हम लोग जिसमें भी उसको पानी को रखते हैं उसका शेप ले लेता है. And we use of water in drinking, bathing, cooking. So students, it's okay. All of you will read this subtopic. Next video we will discuss about some other things related to this water. Thank you.